South Sioux City Community Schools has been the center of this community for more than a century. However, we are facing challenges like increasing enrollment and aging facilities that we must address. To provide what our kids need and deserve, our community began working together to develop an improvement plan by our community for our community. The Cardinal Vision Plan addresses challenges with safety and accessibility, aging and overcrowded facilities, and saves millions of dollars in the long run by replacing schools that are too small, too old, and too expensive to update. For generations, our community has worked to provide our children with the same educational opportunities and resources as kids in other school districts, while ensuring our schools are safe and secure. That's what our kids need, and that's what matters most.
I was one of the volunteers who helped lead the Cardinal Vision Community Engagement Program. We worked together to develop a plan for the future of South Sioux City Community Schools. We heard from more than 1,500 community members who provided feedback at our Cardinal Vision workshops and through surveys. Our community-driven plan addresses the many concerns and challenges facing our schools. Our goal is to make sure our kids have access to the same opportunities and resources that are provided in other area districts.
Over time, wear and tear takes its toll. And just like your home, ignoring problems doesn't work. The longer we wait, the more conditions get worse, and the more expensive it becomes to fix things. We need to protect our investment in schools by taking care of problems now. We also need to address safety. How we keep students and staff safe has changed a lot since our first school was built 100 years ago. The proposed improvements will create safer, fully secure and accessible entryways for students and visitors at all of our schools. This will align our building entries with what is considered today's best practices in school safety.
Our district's enrollment is growing, so our schools are both old and overcrowded. Teachers adapt the best they can, but it's difficult to provide the type of education kids need. It's important that our classrooms enhance our students' education, not hinder it.
Sometimes replacing a building is the most cost-effective option. Such is the case with Covington, Lewis & Clark, and Ian Sweat. New construction provides buildings that need little to no maintenance and repair for many years, and it saves money in the long run.
All of us who came together to develop the Cardinal Vision Plan know that better schools will lead to a stronger and more united community. Our parents and grandparents supported our schools and provided the foundation that got us where we are today. It's our turn to step up for our schools and our community and set a good example for our kids by addressing problems now and not allowing them to get worse.
I'm so proud of the work this community has done to come together to develop a plan for the future of our schools. The Cardinal Vision Plan provides a path for generations of students to learn and thrive in the South Sioux City Community Schools. Please remember to join me in voting and send in your mail ballot before May 13th. Let's show our students how democracy works by remembering to vote.